I want you all to take a look at this NQ chart right here. So this is the 1 hour time frame, and I'm pretty much only showing this just because of the way it demonstrates supply and demand so clearly, and the relationship between the buyers and the sellers in the auction and the market. So you can see that for the last couple days we've been in kind of just consolidation and balanced conditions, and then on this day right here you can see down here that there was higher volume, and we created multiple demand zones because we had a resistance right here, and it broke out, came above, and then retested, formed a brand new demand zone right at this key level resistance, which shows that buyers are definitely participating, and there's more buyers and more demand coming into the market because it created a new demand zone at the same time while retesting a previous previous resistance, and then rallying afterwards. So there's that demand zone, and then you can see that we came up into supply. There's a 4-hour key supply that I had marked previously, and there was a little pivot resistance right here that eventually became support. So it initially rejected for right here at this key level resistance, and then create a basing candle. It retested this little pivot high, or this pivot support, because you have touch right here, touch right here, touch right here, break above, and then these candles held, and then this one eventually rallied, and then it resisted this key level right here, came down, demand was formed right here, and it touched this support again, rallied above with higher volume, and you can see that right down here, rallied above with higher volume, and then closed, and then created another demand zone on the 1 hour inside of supply. So because demands are forming inside of supply and it broke above supply, that supply is invalidated, and it shows that the buyers have more of the strength in the auction right now. So yeah, I just wanted to mark that really quick because I thought it was a good demonstration and a good real-time example of how supply and demand works and how you use it to gauge context of the market and where it's going to be heading.